But right now, what we've got is certainty, at least for the Raider fans, that we're going to have full capacity without masks in that stadium. And for that certainty, I'm just very thankful to the governor for coming up with something that will work for us.
Well, I just support the decisions that are being made. Every state, every team is probably going to have a different view on this. I support the decision that was made. I'll be anxious to see as many Raider fans as possible with no mask. That's what I'm excited about. They can make more noise that way. But I know it's a touchy subject for a lot of people, but I do support the direction we're heading, and I encourage everybody that I know to get the vaccine and come and join us.
We know it's the right thing to do. We know it's the right way to keep this stadium full all season long and to create the game day experience that our fans love and miss and remember, where they can cheer for their team without masks, gather with their friends and family, and have the good time that they all remember having.
Governor Sisolak was dealt a pretty bad hand. Things were going pretty good here in Las Vegas when the pandemic hit. And he's had to scramble every which way but loose. And there's been no certainty, and there still is no certainty. I think people forget that we're still in the middle of a pandemic. It's not over yet. And so we've listened to Governor Sisolak. We've spoken with him on a number of things. And I think what he came up with here was two options that we could have followed. And health and safety is always number one in everything that we do. And we just feel that this part of the process, the way that he came up with it, is the one that we're going to follow.
Our focus here at Community Ambulance is to help support the initiative that the Raiders have put forth. We'll be providing vaccinations on site for those that have not received their vaccination. We'll be able to process that here on site. They'll receive their vaccine card at that point, and they'll then be able to follow the protocol to then get it uploaded to Clear. So we're happy to support this community. Like many, we're a part of this community. We want to get this community open to 100%, and we want to do it safely. We want to do it effectively, and we're here to support those efforts.
But we're really excited about the opportunity to have consistency this season. And I would say that if people are concerned about taking the shot or whatever, that we will refund their money for the season for the 9 games. We'll give them a full refund, or they can roll their ticket money over till next season. If in fact they roll it over till next season, they'll get the full 10-game season for the 9 games that they're returning. If in fact they get a refund, they will then just pay next year the full price for their season tickets, which will be the same price as this year's.